In the next 90 seconds, we're going to cover everything you need to know about ProDentim, a revolutionary dental health supplement that's changing the way we care for our teeth and gums. Designed with cutting-edge research, ProDentim combines probiotics and natural ingredients to promote a healthier mouth and a brighter smile. ProDentim is a dietary supplement crafted specifically for oral health. Unlike traditional toothpaste or mouthwash, ProDentim works from the inside out by introducing beneficial bacteria to your mouth, helping to restore balance and support healthier teeth and gums. Ingredients like Lactobacillus Paracasei help reduce inflammation and support gum health, while Lactis BL-04 promotes a balanced oral microbiome. Lactobacillus Reuteri supports overall immune function and reduces gum sensitivity, making it easier to maintain a healthier smile. Together, these ingredients not only protect your teeth and gums, but also leave your breath feeling fresher. Using ProDentim is simple. Just chew 1 tablet daily, preferably in the morning, to allow the probiotics to work effectively throughout the day. And if you're not completely satisfied, ProDentim is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it risk-free. To ensure you're getting the authentic product with this guarantee, order directly from the official website. We've included the link in the description below. Ready to transform your dental health from the inside out? Try ProDentim today and experience the difference.